For our game, we thought about what people want to learn about, and then it came to us: oral health. For teenagers especially, it can be very intriguing to learn about how a dentist improves their oral health. So we made a dentist simulator. Our goal is to teach the user about the basics of a dentist's everyday life and the importance of oral hygiene.
The user plays our game by reading through panels of background information and by following instructions to complete a task. Once the task is completed, a next button appears and the user can proceed. The layout of the majority of our game is separated into 4 parts to make it easier for the user to play. The top panel contains background information and instructions. The middle left panel contains the tools or the progress made. The middle right panel of our game contains the actual gameplay. The user will be interacting with this panel the most. And finally, our bottom panel contains navigation, and the user can return home, go back to a training level, or continue to the next panels. Our game consists of 3 levels. The first level is the training level. In this level, we teach the user how to maintain oral health, the significance of braces, and how to prevent cavities. You cannot do anything wrong in this level, because all you have to do is read the information and continue to the next level. Level 1 is our next level. In this level, the user has to read the instructions and then click on the right or wrong choices. And you'll be told when you make the wrong choice. Our next level is level 2. In level 2, you have to read the instructions and choose the correct tool and then click on the right part of the mouth. This level is harder than level 1 because the user has more choices to make, like picking the right tools. Since this is our hardest level, we included a go back to training level option in case the user got stuck and needed help finishing the level. We used image files to display the pictures of tools, the mouth, and parts of the braces. For most of our images, we had 6 parameters. The first parameter is the variable name of the image. The second and third are the starting XY coordinates of the mouth. The fourth and fifth parameters are the width and height of the image. And the last parameter is our image observer. We used data type conversion when we had a number of brackets left, which is an int, and changed the data type of the counter from int to string in order to print the counter as a string beside the brackets panel that the user was playing on. This helps the player see how many brackets they have left to put on the teeth. Since the counter decreases count every time the user puts on a bracket successfully, until the user knows that there are no more brackets to place, in which the counter is 0. This is an example of casting we used in our game. Specific if-else statement was used in the brackets panel to respond to the user's clicking of the brackets panel. It uses the location of the user's clicks to have feedback on whether or not clicking was in the right place, and the correct clicks carry feedback to drawing the braces, or telling the user to try again. The form of inheritance is using nested classes by grouping together all the classes. This helps with the maintenance and the readability of our code. Now, instead of having to search between windows to get to all of our classes, we can just scroll up or down. Also, our nested classes inherit the instance variables from the superclasses, making it easier for us to maintain the variables that we have to use multiple times.
Levels panel, in which the player can access all the levels of the game easily just by going back to the levels panel, then selecting one of the buttons, the corresponding level panel. We have an if-else block that checks for the source of the button that was clicked. Then we use card layout to show the correct level based on the button that you click.
How our game evaluated. Our user said that he learns better with images. So we associated our tools with their respective images so that people, like him, can learn faster and enjoy the game. Our mentor also said that we should make the game less plain by adding a dentist's office background picture to ensure that the user feels like this game is going to be very effective and will help them learn about oral health. We also changed our game by adding a back to the training level in level 2. Because one of our feedback said that they forgot the information needed to complete the level. And to go back to the training level, you would have to go to the starting panel and then find your way to the training level, which is really frustrating. So we made a back button to the training button, and then once you are done with grasping all the information, you click the back button and it will take you to level 1.
We also motivate the user by congratulating them at the end of the level. We also say the level is complete with actually the button of the level that has been completed, so the user has a sense of progression in the game. Here, I'm going to complete level 1 and demonstrate how we motivate the user. The congratulations panel appears, which makes the user motivated. And then it says level complete. Thank you for listening to our game video. Hope you enjoyed it.